Today, we are humbled by the visit of our international client. They have traveled a great distance to China to witness firsthand our abilities in precision manufacturing. This is our GF 5-axis machining center, designed specifically for processing complex geometric shapes, parts with special material and parts requiring consistency and tolerance during long hours of machining. This is our metrology lab. Every part must be inspected using a Zeiss CMM to ensure that the dimensions and geometric tolerances fully meet the design requirements. This is our tool room. Whether you need molds for medical equipment, die casting molds for automotive parts, miniature precision molds for consumer electronics, or molds for critical aerospace components, these are all in a day's work for us. After on-site verification and in-depth discussions, the client is fully confident in RAPMAF's capabilities and decided to lock in the order with us before the Chinese New Year holidays. At RAPMAF, we believe that precision manufacturing is a bridge to international trust. No matter which country you are from, if you need high precision, high reliability mechanical parts, we are your most trustworthy partner.